Guys, what's up? I just received this steam cleaner that I bought from Amazon, and I thought I would open it up with you guys and we could take a look at everything together. Um, just kind of see what all comes in this. So we have here on top a cloth. It feels, I don't know how to describe that actually. It's not like cotton, it's a little bit different. So it's got that kind of fuzzy feeling to it. Then we have what looks like some, like maybe silicone gloves would be my guess. These are actually kind of cool. I didn't realize it came with this, but that's awesome. Look at this. Let's try putting these on. But look at the grip you have there. That's pretty sweet. I have a probably like a very average size hand. I'm like 5'6", and I feel like I've got lots of space in this, so it would probably fit hands a lot larger than mine. So you got two of these gloves. Then we have this piece here. You can see that. It's the attachment. Feels I mean, this is obviously just the first piece I've pulled out, but it feels, for a piece of like plastic, it feels pretty weighty, like well made. And then we have these different attachments. So let's take a look at what those are. We've got this one that has like these bristles here. Then we have another one that looks, it might be the same, like a duplicate of that. Let me see. Yeah, those are the same. Another one with those bristles. This one has these metal bristles, which is cool. And another, looks like another one of those. So two of each. We have this piece. This one. So you can see that's the like steam escape. This one is similar to the other one I just showed you, but it's just not quite as wide. It's just a little more narrow at the top. We have this piece. And this one, that is a larger bristle piece. So it's got 3 rows of bristles around the part, and I'm assuming like obviously the steam comes in through the center there. Then we have these. There are 2 of these, I believe. Yep. Looks like little footies. Okay. So then we have the main like spout, which is connected here to this, which is also connected to the body. Oops, I dropped a piece. I'll have to pick that up. Okay, let's go ahead and pull the plastic off the body here. Add some bubble wrap there so that you can see this. All right, we have this here on top. And then there are screws that hold the lid in place around this. Then underneath here, actually I had it upside down. Gotta love that. You have the handle. And then the power button, and then a plus and minus button. And I'm assuming you put the water in through this other side, and then it does feel like a really good seal. So I guess once you seal that, it's good, and then you can flip it. That's my guess. I haven't read the instructions yet, right? The power cord feels like pretty heavy duty and looks like it's at least a few feet long. Then we have this. And the piece that I dropped is here, right? And then we have the instruction manual. So that is everything that comes in this little box. There was a lot in one small box. So I'm excited to get to try and use it, but I hope this was helpful for you, just kind of getting to see what it comes with. And I'll make another video later after I put it to use.